In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a Squarespace blog post. Once you are on your Squarespace website, what you want to do is simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and you just want to make sure that website is selected. Now, under website, you want to click on pages. Now, once you are on the pages section, it's either on your main navigation or not link files, you will find your blog page. And if you do find your blog page, just simply click on it. Once you do click on your blog page, you'll be taken to blog. And on the left hand side, if you hover on blog overview, you will see down below all of the blog posts in which you have. Now, there are two ways in order for you to schedule a blog post. The first way is to schedule a published blog post, and the second way is to schedule a draft blog post. Now, to schedule a published blog post, what you want to do is simply hover on a blog, and on the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And down below, you want to click on settings. Now that will open up your blog post settings. And on the left hand side, you just want to click on options. Now, on the options section, you'll see that our status is set to published. In order for you to change this, you want to click on status. And in here on the options section, you will have four options, either to set this as a draft, needs review, published, or even scheduled. Now, if a blog post is published, it will automatically have a check mark on the published section. What you want to do is head over to the bottom of published and click on the check mark for scheduled. Once you do that, you want to scroll down on schedule, and in here you want to set a date as well as a time for your blog post. Now, at the top and right corner, you will see arrows going to the left and right. In here, you can set a date even up until next year. And at the bottom, you can set the time by simply highlighting, press on backspace to delete. Now, in here, you can set it to be, let's say, about 12 a.m. And once you're done, just simply head over to the top and left corner and click on save. And once you do that, as you can see, your blog post is now scheduled. Now, let's say you want to schedule a draft blog post. So, what you want to do on your blog overview, you want to hover on your draft blog. You will know that it is a draft because on the right hand side, it will have a draft icon. Now, you want to head over to the blog post again. On the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the top, click on settings. Now that will open your blog post settings. You want to head over to the left hand side and then click on options. And on the options section, you will see our status is set to draft. So what you want to do again is click on status. Now on the options, this will be set as a draft. On the right hand side, it will have a check mark on the draft. So you want to head over to schedule, which is at the very bottom. On the right hand side, click on the check mark. And once you do that down below, you will find an option to set a schedule again. So you can set it on a specific date as well as a specific time. And once you're done, head over to the top and left corner and click on save. And as you can see, our blog post is now scheduled. If we head over to our blog overview, you'll see that our blogs that are set to scheduled is not posted on our blog overview. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.